Welcome to the project demonstration of smart dustbin using GSM and Arduino Uno. So here we are going to utilize two ultrasonic sensors to detect the hand, nothing but obstacle, in order to open and close this lid of this dustbin, as well as one more ultrasonic sensor which is placed under this. So it will utilize it to measure this ultrasonic sensor. It was utilized to measure the level of the dustbin, and based on these two inputs we are going to control the servo motor, as well as we are also indicating the levels by using these three LEDs, and the status will be displayed on the LCD screen. Once the dustbin get filled, so we will get the SMS, means we are going to sending a SMS alert by making use of this GSM module. So here the whole system controlled by this Arduino Uno board. So here the main input modules, as we discussed, so two ultrasonic sensors, this is outside ultrasonic sensor and inside ultrasonic sensor, interface to directly 11, 12, 13 and 9 pins of 10 pins, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are the 4 pins interfaced to the ultrasonic sensors of this Uno board, and a GSM modem interfaced at the 0 and 1, and LCD 2 to 7, and servo motor at 9th pin, and these three LEDs are directly interfaced at A0, A1, A2 pins. So here the connections, as we discussed earlier, so and this is the breadboard in order to distribute the 5 volt power supply to the servo motor, as well as Arduino Uno, GSM modem and LCD and sensors. And the next, before switching on this kit, we need to insert a valid SIM card into this GSM modem, and it should have the SMS balance or main balance, and it should be able to send the messages, as well as other than the Geo. You can use Airtel for better performance, and after inserting the SIM card you can switch on the kit, and then we can see the welcome message, as well as the so-called status will be displayed on the LCD screen. So here we need to provide the two adapters power supply. So this one is for the servo motor, and this one is for the main motherboard power supply. So just provide the 230 volts. These adapters are directly utilized to provide the 230 volts to 5 volts regulated power supply. So just we can see the status. So once the network found by the GSM modem, then the 2 times of light indication will be done, and after that the distance of the front sensor, the front sensor will be displayed on the LCD screen. The dustbin level is empty now. Okay, and now, so if I want to place the wastage inside this dustbin, so just by showing the object in front of that, so it will be opens and close that. Automatically it will be closed with the help of the servo motor, and we can see the level 1 as indicated, and the dustbin got filled till the bottom. And now we will place the next wastage inside that, and same thing will be displayed on the LCD, lid open and lid closed, and so it will be closed. So after some time it will closed automatically, and also we can see that the dustbin got filled off level. Okay, and the next, so when it is getting filled, automatically we will get the SMS alerts. So we can see the 3 LEDs indicated, and dustbin got full and a message sent. So we will get the message alert. Right. Okay. So you can see the message is dustbin number and it got filled. So it will need to be cleaned it. Done. So whenever we open now, if we open this now, when we place the hand near this sensor, then it will open till 30 seconds in order to clean that, and also we can see the message, so please clean me. So right, and it will take 30 seconds of duration. So slowly we can clean that, and once the cleaning was successfully done, and in the meantime, so after 30 seconds on the LCD it will display thank you, and also close the door lid automatically after the 30 seconds. And now the remaining LEDs will come to the normal position. So here we write thank you. after it's closed again. And the next, this system working continuously done for the next operation. Right. And also indication was done on the ladies. Thank you.